Hi, I am Shohini. I am going to speak on a bit different topic today. The topic on which I will speak today, I myself am not very sure about that, but let me try. Often we come across people we come across many people in our life, but all of the people are not worth it these days. We know that very well. Some people motivate us. There are many people around us who motivate us, but be careful. And you all know there is nothing to make you careful. Before making you careful, you people are already careful. That there are many people who demotivate us. Yeah, I am not telling that always the people who are around you have always have to be your yes men. No, they are not the correct people who are the yes men. Correct people are those that who will correct you when you are wrong. Not that they are the yes men, but when you are doing anything wrong, they also have to correct you if you are wrong, be it your friends or any other acquaintance who motivate you. You will understand after a bit of after a time in our lives. We all understand that who are the people who motivate us and who demotivate us. Motivating people always correct us when we are wrong, and that too in a positive way. They always notice that whenever a person is demotivating you, he or she is telling something that is wrong in you, he or she there will be you will suffer from a kind of mental issue whenever you are sitting in a silent place, or you have less work pressure on you, or there are some nights when you cannot sleep. Because some people are there whose words keep ringing in your mind. They always tell something bad about you, they always put you down, they always demotivate you. On the other hand, the people who motivate you and want you to progress in life, you will not suffer any kind of mental issue when they correct you. You will be motivated, and you will always strive to correct yourself, and will never be affected by their words in a bad way. Always you will see that you are not suffering any mental issue or any negative impact. All you will see that they have told you something which is good for which is leading to your progress, and at the same way not having any negative impact, any mental issue. We have generation, in my generation, even I am a victim of mental issue. If some people tell something negative about us, then we always that word sometimes keeps on ringing, and we become sad, demotivated. We feel negative energy inside us. No matter, everything around us is good, but when those words keep ringing in our mind, we find everything negative. It's the demotivation of some people which makes our surroundings negative. So it's our duty to find out who are the positive people, or in those times we should go to them and talk to them. Talking to those positive people gives us strength. You will find that there are people who when you share your problems with them, they give you strength, and after you speak to them, you feel a bit relieved, because they always want you to progress in your life. They don't want you to suffer with any type of mental issues or everything. So it's your duty to find out who wants you to progress in life. It's your duty to go to them and speak about your problems. If you are suffering any kind of mental issue, they will give you the solution, they will provide you the right path. And there are people who have their own problems. I don't know why there are people who wants to put other people down, wants to demotivate others, they mock others. Even now I come across so many people in my life. So we have to ignore them, totally cut them out of your life. Even I had talked about a book review, that book Ikigai. Even there it is written that you should stay away from negative and toxic people, cut them out in your life, because they impede your progress. They are the ones who are responsible for your mental issue. They are the ones who put you down day to day and you feel demotivated. Even if everything around you is going right, is going perfect, you tend to find negativity in it, because those words keep ringing in your mind whenever you are alone, or and your whole surroundings feel negative. So now it's your duty to find out those positive people, share your problems with them, and cut out those negative people from your lives. So for today's video I wanted to speak only this much. I will speak only this much for today. If you find my video helpful, then please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and please take care of yourselves. We are going through tough times. Bye.